The 2025 BMW S1000Rr continues to build upon its legacy as a high-performance superbike, introducing several refinements to enhance both aerodynamics and rider experience. Aerodynamics and design. One of the notable updates for 2025 is the redesigned fairing, which features a different headlight shape and boxier winglets. These new winglets provide increased downforce, improving stability at high speeds. The side panels have also been updated, echoing design elements from the original 2019 model. Engine and performance. The 2025 model retains its formidable 999cc inline 4-cylinder engine, delivering 205 horsepower at 13,000 revolutions per minute and 83 pound-feet of torque at 11,000 revolutions per minute. This power plant ensures the S1000Rr remains competitive in the superbike segment. Braking and handling. To enhance braking performance, BMW has integrated new brake cooling ducts into the front fender. These ducts help maintain consistent brake pressure during intense track sessions, contributing to improved safety and control. Additional features. The 2025 S1000Rr also boasts a new fairing design with a different headlight shape, boxier winglets, and updated side panels that harken back to the original 2019 model's aesthetics. For a comprehensive visual review, you might find this video insightful. This video provides an in-depth look at the 2025 BMW S1000Rr, covering its features, performance, and design enhancements. In summary, the 2025 BMW S1000Rr offers a blend of proven performance and thoughtful updates, ensuring it remains a top contender in the superbike market.